Friends, proudly presenting meatless meat broth. It is made from okra. In fact, you can use okra in making burgers, sausage, very delicious yong tofu fillings, even the fillings of this fried wonton. If you make your own soya milk, you will get the okra free. In this video, I'm going to teach you a very healthy way of making soya milk. Hence, the okra is also healthier. How is it possible? Simply by removing the skins of the soya beans. The skins of the soya beans are laden with purines that's going to cause uric acid. I'm not sure of the tofu, the soya milk, and any other soya products that are on the countertop. But I'm sure if I make all this at home, I will make sure to have the skins of the soya beans removed properly. This is the amount of meat broth I'm getting from just 300 grams of soya beans. Soak the beans overnight, and you can see how I rub and squeeze the beans very hard to try to have the skins removed. In a matter of 10 to 15 minutes and with more than 10 times of rinsing, you see how much of the skins have been removed. Here are the skins. Even though I'm not teaching soya milk here, I will let you know that 300 grams of soya bean, you use 1 liter of water and blend it in 3 batches. We need white sesame seeds, no specific amount, sugar, oil, and this is the seaweed that I have used it before. And this is the soya sauce and the okra from the 300 grams of beans. I used 3 sheets of this seaweed. I cut them up into smaller pieces and I roast them in the clean wok. You can also do it in an oven. Just turn it every now and then so that they are evenly roasted. After roasting, cut the seaweeds up again. Not too fine because they tend to shrink a lot. Heat up some oil, spread the oil to the sides. Add in the okra first. Use medium-low flame all the time. After about 10 minutes, we add in the seaweeds and the sesame seeds. The sesame seeds must be roasted beforehand. Constant stirring is necessary for this vegan meat broth. Five minutes later, I add in 1/4 cup of this soya sauce. Together with 1 tablespoon of sugar. And back to our stirring again. After some time, we must test for the flavor again to see whether we still need more of the soya sauce or the sugar. Now the color of the meat broth is still very light, isn't it? 5 more minutes later, the color is darkened and it's almost done. I turn off the flame and lastly I add half tablespoon of the mushroom powder and I take it out of the wok. Leave this behind, don't try to scrape it up. Transfer the meat floss onto a baking tray and then roast it at 120 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes until it is very dry. Don't forget to stir with a spoon to make sure that it is evenly roasted.